Welcome back. Today's video is going to be about GPSC Recruitment 2021. Viewers who are unable to watch the video till the end, recruitment details link will be placed in the description. Alternatively, you can also head over to Google and search for GPSC Recruitment 2021 Freshers Now. And as you search, you can get to see Freshers Now website, click on it and get all of the information regarding the recruitment at one place. Job aspirants who are looking forward for regular job updates, join our Telegram group. The link to join the group also will be placed in the description box, so don't forget to check it out.
Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
Here are the recruitment details. The organization name is Gujarat Public Service Commission. Post is for an assistant professor, and for assistant professor there are 106 vacancies. Starting date to apply has already begun. The last date will be 1st of June. Application mode is through online. Job location is in Gujarat. Here is the official website. You can check out the official website if you need any sort of clarifications regarding the vacancy. Heading over to each of the posts separately, which means the assistant professor is further divided according to the departments. Now for nephrology, the total number of vacancies are only 2. For emergency medicine, there are 8. Assistant professor for physical medicine and rehabilitation, there are 3. And for dentistry, there are 4. And for skin and BD dermatology, there are 6. For psychiatry, there are 7. For general surgery, there are 29. For obstetrics, there are 25. And for gynecology, there are 15. Now, all of these are furtherly divided according to the category that you're belonging to. And also, it is divided for the women also. And here is the education requirement. Academic qualifications will be specified as per the university, established or incorporated by the central or the state act or any other education institute which should be recognized as to be declared or deemed to be university under the section 3, and also should possess at least 3 years of teaching experience as a junior resident, registrar or a demonstrator or a tutor in the concerned subject, whichever post that you are applying to, so that you will be specialized. And the candidates possessing MD or an MS or a DNB degree in the subject of a specialized from the Medical Council of India can also apply. And also you should have 3 years of teaching experience as a junior resident in an MCI recognized medical colleges which should be attached in medical hospitals, etc. And also the subject and 1 year teaching experience as a senior resident. So if you have completed your degree and if you have experience as a senior resident, then you can have 1 year of experience, that will be enough. Heading over, for the candidate whoever possessing DNB degree in the subject as for the specified in the form other than the Medical Council of India, you should have the relevant experience along with 1 year of teaching experience as a senior resident in the concerned subject, and also that should be from a recognized university or institute. And this is the same for all of the posts which you will be applying to. Further, for the post, you can be a demonstrator or a tutor, you can be a junior resident and a senior resident as well. So according to the experience that you have, the eligibility criteria will be selected. Then the age limit. The candidate should not be more than 43 years of age, and the age will be considered as per the last date on the online application. The selection process. The officials are going to conduct a preliminary test, results of the preliminary test, and then the interview. Based on this, the candidates will be selected for the post applied. Whoever are selected, you are going to get a pay of 15,000 to 39,000 and a grade pay of 7,000 respectively. Application charges. Candidates who are belonging to the general unreserved category have to pay ₹100 along with the applicable postal charges as well. And candidates belonging to the reserved categories and economically weaker sections of the society, and also the unreserved category of Gujarat state, ex-servicemen and physically handicapped. Please note that the candidates have not to pay any sort of application fees, while the candidates reserved categories of other states have to pay the application charges. Apart from the category and the section of the candidates mentioned here, or the rest of the candidates have to pay the application fee. Further doubts or if you need further clarifications, please check out the link which will be placed in the description box. If you have any queries, place them in the comment section and we will answer them. Subscribe to Freshers Now, and thank you for watching.